In the realm of high-performance blenders, this WantJoin Commercial Professional Blender stands out as a game-changer for both home and commercial use. Designed to cater to a diverse range of blending needs, from smoothies and shakes to soups and sauces, this blender is engineered to deliver exceptional results while maintaining a level of quiet operation that is rare for such a powerful machine. Here's an in-depth look at what makes the WantJoin Blender a top choice for serious culinary enthusiasts and professionals alike. One of the standout features of the WantJoin Commercial Professional Blender is its robust 2200-watt motor. This impressive power output ensures that the blender can handle even the toughest ingredients with ease. Whether you're blending ice for a smoothie, processing nuts for a creamy butter, or making a hearty soup, the powerful 2200-watt motor delivers consistent energy and performance. Coupled with the dual-direction blade technology, the blender achieves a high-speed rotation of up to 38,000 RPM, making it a versatile tool for any kitchen task. What truly sets this blender apart is its quiet operation. The integrated soundproof shield significantly reduces noise levels, making it ideal for environments where noise reduction is crucial, such as cafes, restaurants, or even your home kitchen. The shield not only muffles the sound but also prevents splatters and leaks, ensuring a clean and efficient blending experience every time. The WantJoin Blender comes with an 80-ounce, 2.2-liter pitcher, providing ample capacity for preparing large batches of your favorite recipe. This large volume makes it perfect for family gatherings, parties, or busy commercial kitchens. Pitcher's design ensures that it can handle a variety of ingredients, from smoothies and ice cream to salsas and sauces. The blender's user-friendly design features a lid with a convenient feeding hole, allowing you to add ingredients during the blending process without removing the lid. This feature is particularly useful for adding ingredients to recipes that require constant adjustment. Additionally, the included tamper is designed to fit through the lid, helping to blend dense ingredients more efficiently. The WantJoin Blender is equipped with mechanical buttons that offer precise control over blending speeds. With 15 speed settings and a pulse function, you have the flexibility to achieve the exact texture you desire for your recipe. The mechanical controls are intuitive and straightforward, allowing you to easily adjust settings to suit your blending needs. Safety is a priority with the WantJoin Blender. It includes overheat protection to prevent the motor from getting damaged during extended use. The self-cleaning feature is another highlight, simplifying cleanup after use. Just add a drop of dish soap and warm water to the pitcher, and the blender will clean itself in a matter of seconds, saving you time and effort. Beyond its impressive performance, the WantJoin Blender boasts a sleek and modern design. The silver finish and elegant shield cover give it a sophisticated look that complements any kitchen or commercial setting. The blender's sturdy construction ensures long-lasting durability, making it a worthy investment for anyone looking for a reliable and high-performing blending solution. Why choose the WantJoin Commercial Professional Blender? If you're in the market for a professional-grade blender that combines power, quiet operation, and versatile functionality, the WantJoin Commercial Professional Blender is a top contender. Its high-powered motor, advanced blade technology, and user-friendly features make it an excellent choice for both home cooks and commercial establishments. Quiet operation and easy-to-clean design further enhance its appeal, making it a practical and efficient addition to any kitchen. For those who value performance and convenience in their kitchen appliances, the WantJoin Blender offers a compelling package. Whether you're preparing smoothies, soups, or sauces, this blender is designed to meet the demands of a busy kitchen while providing a quieter, more pleasant blending experience. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.